Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 78 Ford F250. You hear the heater fan working. Seatbelt light works. There's the radio. Horn works. There's a blinker switch is a little funky, but it wants to work. Kind of got to touch it. I don't know if that indicator works, but we'll leave that one on to see. And the bulb's out of the dome light. There's your wipers work. So I think most everything works. That fuel gauge, it was working when I was test driving it, so it might be a little funky. It was up just under, yep, there it comes up. Switch must have been kind of. There's your oil pressure. That's about where it runs when it's so cold. Their temp gauge does go up. Got intermittent wipers. And then about down to N when it when it does sit, you'll see a little blue smoke just being transparent as heck. Probably some valve seals from sitting. Turn the lights on. No, I didn't. Doors shut good. Has your vent tag. Said probably could use a tune-up, plugs and wires. I got it all here. The cruise control still here. Power steering, power brakes. So except for air, it was off and nice. Got a headlight out here, and that blinker does not work, so it needs some light work. So there you can hear lots of the tail lights do not work, so we need to do some work on the lights, which that's relatively easy. So they used it for a work truck, had a trailer brake in it, so there you go. Any questions? 605-695-7391.